Wake up and move. Justin Arnold back here again at Flex MP. Yeah, this isn't actually part of it, but we're about ready to shoot this video and she climbed on and I'm like, let's go with it. This is the new normal. Anyway, so I've been bringing you neck drills, posture drills, you know, for sitting at the desk. I've been getting messages from people dealing with headaches. What can I do for relief, tightness? So if you didn't see the video about some neck exercises, if you're dealing with some of that or some of that 4-part series we went through, then you can go ahead and check back. I'll put some of the links below. But what we're gonna go through is actually use this tool to help release your neck, loosen up your neck if you're dealing with migraines or headaches. We're also gonna show you some other drills for your shoulders, for your lats, just to open up your whole back, shoulders, upper body, shoulder girdle area, especially if you're dealing with tension, again, from sitting at desks, just sitting down a lot in a sedentary position. So first one, you're gonna wanna make sure that you put a child on your shirt. It's the only way to do this exercise. No, you don't need a child to do that, but let's just go with it. So you're gonna put this foam roller on the middle of your neck. Okay, Ava. And you're gonna actually go left to right. You're gonna go side to side, just getting a little relief. I don't really like to sit it right there on the middle, so you wanna go past it. Once you get to one side, you're gonna make some shifts right here like this. So there's that muscle there, and then you're gonna do it on the other side. If you do this correctly, it should feel pretty good. And I always like the theory of less is more. Don't feel like you gotta like jam that neck in there. So less is more. From there, here, can we move over here? Okay, well, she's just gonna stay there, I guess. This looks really awkward, Ava. We're gonna have to move you. All right, this is the new normal. We are not stopping this video because I know a lot of people are dealing with some similar stuff. So what you're gonna do with this one, okay, I gotta show them this one, and I need you right there. All right, so you're gonna put the roller here, you're gonna just reach out. As you reach out, you're just gonna set those hips back. Just drop like that. That's gonna really open up your shoulders, open up your lats. Really nice drill there. And as you see, she's demonstrating it as well. And if you look at that one, if you don't have one of these, you can get something like this. This is just a harder plastic. So you go to Home Depot for less than $1, I think, less than $2, and just get that cut. Okay, the third one. What you're gonna do is here, you're gonna set it here. Notice the way my hand, so thumb up. You're gonna reach under like this. Make sure you got a 40-pound child to sit on your back to get that deeper stretch. Just kidding. You're just gonna reach under like this. And that's the way it is. Drop your head. You can literally sit into it for a little bit, breathe. This is really going to open up the thoracic part of your back, so the middle part of your back. Feel that in your shoulder blade, and just breathe into that. You'll actually, if you push your hip away, so this is my left side, I'm pushing my left hip away, you'll feel it all the way to your low back. So if you're dealing with low back issues, especially if you've been sitting around, this is a good stretch for that as well. You got that, Ava? All right, and then our third and final one is gonna be, our fourth and final one is gonna be into the lat. So what you're gonna do is lay down here. I like to look at the lat as 2 zones. You got your lower zone, which is about around your nipple, and then your zone 2, which is a little bit higher up. So you're gonna sit into here. You can just roll up and down, just like that. Have the arm extended like this. You could even move back and forth. That's part 2 of this one. And then you're just gonna make some sweeps. And then you go up a little bit higher, roll up and down, and then do about 5 to 10 sweeps. Those are your 4 little drills using just a foam roller or a PVC pipe like that to help loosen up the neck, relieve some headaches, loosen up the shoulders and lats. That can contribute to a little bit of that, and just loosen up the whole upper body, especially with these Zoom calls, typing, working, and phone calls. Well, thanks for tuning into this. Hope this helps. Check out those links below, especially if you want deeper training on ways to move better, feel better, and live better during this tumultuous time, or just find some nice flow, some nice relief.
And I want to say something.
Go ahead.
Say something great.
Don't give up. Try your best and
Have fun.
and have fun. And you're great. And I love Ellen.
And like, share, subscribe, and share with the world.